Thank you, ma'am, for introducing me as your guest speaker. Thank you, students, teachers, parents, non-teaching staff, and to everyone who made these 6 years everything that they were. Also, I would like to thank our principal headed by Sir Ronnie Lim. Lastly, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved Mayor of Hagonoy, Davao del Sur, none other than Honorable Mayor Jesus Doreza Jr. Good morning. It is with great honor and privilege that I stand before you today as a guest speaker on this momentous occasion of your elementary school graduation 2024-2025 with the theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you for reaching this significant milestone in your young lives. Today, we celebrate not only the completion of your elementary education, but also the beginning of an exciting new chapter as you transition into middle school. Samtang nagatanaw ko niining masanag ng mga nawong napuno ko sa pagbati sa pagkamalaumon o paglaom sa umaabot. Agree ba mo na matag usa kaninyo karon adunay good future? Yes, manifesting in God's will. Tungod kay matag usa kaninyo adunay talagsaon nga mga talento, talig-on o potensyal nga kun amumahon o pauswagon sa walay duha-duha musangpot sa dakong kalampusan sa umaabot nga mga tuig. Ayaw gid kamo pag-apil-apil sa mga bisyo. Tungod sa next level of your journey, high school na mo, daghan na kaayo ang mga kabatanunan nga naga-apil like sa mga grupong gangsters. Aron matuman ang inyong mga pangandoy, labi na sa inyong mga ginikanan nga gituluan og singot bawat sentimo nga ginahatag sa inyo aron naa lang mo'y balon. Throughout your elementary school journey, you have learned valuable lessons, not only from textbooks, but also from your teachers, friends, and experiences. You have discovered the power of perseverance, the joy of learning, and the importance of collaboration. These lessons will serve as a sturdy foundation journey and navigate the challenges that lies ahead. Remember, my young friends, na ang edukasyon ay hindi lamang nakakulong sa apat na sulok ng silid-aralan. Education is the best thing to encounter poverty. Kumbaga, hindi hadlang ang kahirapan para hindi kayo makapagtapos sa pag-aaral. Lalo na ngayon, marami ng mga scholarship program ang ating gobyerno. Let me share to you my story way back when I was elementary level. It was a funny moment na diri na school, mga ginianing basakan, nga lapukan. Away binata sa mga still friends until now. Pag recess, magdula mig Chinese garter. Siya tong dampa. 11 years old ko, kabalo na ko mangitag kwarta, gani, tigtanom og ani sa humay kay manguha kog ulon-ulon. Aron na ko'y kwarta, kay ibayad na ko sa school, aron kauban ko og field trip. Pobre jud kaayo mi. Buladra, among sudan. Buladra sudan nako, then na ako'y 20 pesos, gipalit na ko og Fuji apple sa Davao. Kabalo na ko mangandoy. Then at my young age, 14 ko ato na time, isa sa nitatak sa ako ang mind, ang pirmi, ginaisulti sa akong advisor. Poverty is not a hindrance to success. Tungod kay pobre kaayo mi, dagan kaayo mi, nain mi kabuok, and pang 4 ako. Those poverty need my motivation in life. Nilakaw ko nag-working students. Without compensation, walay sweldo kay ako ang ginaisip makahuman kog eskwela. Then, very lisod kaayo sa una. Even though na ay mga scholarship, kay dili basta-basta makasulod. So, nag-stop ko. After high school, nag-work ko sa Manila alone, without family by my side for 8 years. Nanimpalad for 2 years in Malaysia. Ibalik ko sa eskwela, 29 years old ko, as grade 11, first batch. Katawan ko sa uban students, ginabuli ko kay ako ra may tigulang dito sa mga students. Ni-proceed ko college, nag-working gihapon ko. Until nadawat ko sa scholarship, dito na ko nakasupport nako sa semi-private school. Mumata ko kadlawon aron maglutog pastil ug itlog kay ako ang itinda aron na ako'y ipalit og libro na ako'y balon. Gibuhat nako matag kadlawon kay klase nako alas 7 sa buntag hangtod alas 12 sa udto. Year 2018 to 2024, nagaahinti ko yuta, nag-a-assist ko passport o PSA, basta maka-income ko o makatigom. Overall, I finance my own studies because I don't want to make a burden to my parents. Nagsakripisyo tungod kay na ako'y pangandoy, makahuman o eskwela, aron dili nami mangayog baga sa silingan, mangayog bahaw, mangayog ulo sa bulad, aron lang makakaon mi. Ingon ana ni kapobre. Dili babag ang kapobrehon nato. And salute to all the parents and students na bisan kalisod, nagpadayon aron makalampos. Tuod nakalampos ko, nakagraduate as scholar. Tuod dagan kog na experience, discouragement after graduation, kaysa pagsige na kog paningkamot sa pagtuon, makakuha lang ko og dakong grades, apan mapagbiro ang tadhana. Gihikaw sa kuha ang gipangandoy nako aron lang dili ko maapil sa candidates. Tungod ato, na-discourage ko. Dili ko ganahan magtuon. Nagbayad ko review center, apan wala ko nagseryoso. My eldest sister said, take lang of board exam. Kung para sa imuha, ihatag na papasaron ka ni Lord. Everybody excited sa results, but me cannot. Gipasar ko og tanan sila nalipay. Embrace every opportunity to explore, to inquire, and to discover. But you be curious about the world around you. Never stop asking questions. Seek knowledge, not only from textbooks, but also from the people you meet, the places you visit, and the experiences you encounter as you embark of this new chapter in your academic journey. I encourage you to set goals and dream big. Pangandoy tala, pagpaningkamot o panagtiil. Dare to envision a future that sparkles with endless possibilities. Believe in yourselves, for you are capable of achieving greatness. Remember that success is not measured solely by grades or accolades, but by the positive impact you have on the lives of others. Tinuod na wala jud nag-measure sa grado. Natay diskarte sa apan ang pagkamalaumon nato natay diskarte sa kinabuhi maoy makahawas ka nato. Be kind, be compassionate, and be inclusive. Lift others up, and in doing so, you will rise higher than you ever thought possible. Lastly, but most importantly, cherish the friendships you have made along the way. The bonds you have formed with fellow classmates will be a source of support and the strength as you navigate the challenges of middle school and beyond. Remember to be a friend, to lend a helping hand, and to always celebrate each other's successes. In closing, I want to express my utmost pride in each and every one of you. Today is a celebration of your accomplishments, your growth, and your potential. As you don your graduation caps and bid farewell to elementary school, remember that this is only the beginning. You are the authors of your own stories, and I have no doubt that the chapters ahead will be filled with triumphs, adventures, and dreams come true. Congratulations, class of 2024-2025. May you continue to shine brightly and make a positive impact on the world. Godspeed and best wishes on your journey ahead. Once again, this is Jenny Gula, LPT, MAID, and Educational Management. Thank you.